Using innovative technology, Stopgap 1500 AquaPro is the next generation of high-performance, water-mix underlayments, suitable for preparing a wide range of sound, internal subfloors, prior to the installation of new floor coverings. With the ability to bond directly to adhesive and bitumen residues, Stopgap 1500 AquaPro can also be applied directly to Stopgap waterproof surface membranes, without the need to prime. Stopgap 1500 AquaPro is moisture tolerant, making it suitable for smoothing uneven damp screeds, prior to the application of Stopgap waterproof surface membranes. Using 5 liters of clean water, gradually add 20 kilograms of powder into a Stopgap mixing bucket. And, whilst stirring with a power whisk fitted in an electric drill, mix until a smooth, creamy and lump-free consistency is achieved. Pour the mix onto the prepared subfloor, and allow to flow, to attain a smooth finish. Minimal work with a trowel is required. Stopgap 1500 AquaPro should be applied between 2 and 10 mm unfilled, and can be filled up to 30 mm with Stopgap graded aggregate. The use of a spiked roller will help to eliminate trapped air and provide a more uniform surface finish. Stopgap 1500 AquaPro has a working time of 15 to 20 minutes, can accept light foot traffic in as little as 60 minutes, and floor coverings can be bonded from just 4 hours. It is protein-free, which allows it to be used in clinical and biologically sensitive areas, and is suitable for both hand or pump application. When you need more from a water mix underlayment, Stopgap 1500 AquaPro takes you to the next level.